Hello guys, in this video let us check out this Cleer Arc 2 Sports earphones. Now these are bone connection earphones and they have something called a Snapdragon sound, and here you can see it's written Arc 2 Smart Open Ear True Wireless Headphones. We have been using these headphones for close to 3 weeks now and we're really excited to tell you about the features of it. To be really honest, these earphones are the best earphones that we have tried ever for a sports earphone. So we use this regularly on a gym and they sound amazingly well, and also the fit is really good. So here are some of the features that you can pause the video and read. So the basic features are open ear design, loudless audio, and other stuff such as crystal clear voice calls, charging case with UV sanitizing, etc. IPX resistance for spread proof and sports. So I use this for gym and they're really nice. So opening up the box, here you can see it shows how to use this, and it shows open up the earphones. You'll see Arc 2, and here you can download the Cleer Plus app. So here is the earphone box, and outside the box it feels a bit heavy, but it's made of really good materials and the way it adds up to it. To the rear side you have a USB Type-C charging port. Here you have a Cleer branding. The material used on the case is quite good. It is soft and you can easily hold it in one hand. So opening up the box, you can see they went into pairing mode. This is the UV light that we have inside. It turns in blue color. Charging, you just keep it directly like this, and like in a magnetic sense it just clicks and just starts to charge. So looking at the earphone design, you can see it has a nice sports design, and these are the ear hooks that you can put in your ear and they stay pretty comfortably and snug. Here branding, and to the top we have the microphone. See this side, this is the open ear kind of earphone, so you are aware of the surrounding and the ambient noises. Moreover, you get really good sound out of it, so you don't also compromise on the sound and music. Plus you can also hear what's happening around. So this is a really good earphone if you're looking for maybe earphones or listening to music while you're driving, or maybe while on gym, or you're riding a bicycle, anything. So this are a great pair of earphones for that use. Overall, in terms of sound, the bass is good, the trebles and the mids are okay. Overall, if you are a person who likes to listen to a lot of workout music, this would be a great headphone because the EDM music and the thumping sounds are really nice, and you get to hear a lot of really good sounds and the effects from these earphones. So guys, that was a really quick overview and review of the Cleer Arc 2 earphones. So thanks a lot for watching guys. We will catch you guys soon in our next video.